Hello guys, welcome to the Database channel. So today is a banger day and it's going to be a banger strategy. Okay, so the strategy you are looking at is a scalping strategy and also a spike catching strategy. Okay, so looking at this trade right here, you can see that we are buying on crash yielded, and look at it at this trade right here, you can see that we are selling on boom 500. Okay, so that is we showing you guys that the strategy is very working and is very effective. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end, and also if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, enter a posting strategy. You guys will be aware. Okay, so subscribe, make sure to subscribe because we have some there's a lot of benefits you are going to get from you subscribing to this channel. Okay, so with that being said, let's proceed with the strategy. Okay, now before we talk about the settings for the strategy, we first talk about how the strategy works, because I know that most of people like to get the strategy without watching how it works and they end up losing their money. So I'm going to explain to you guys how the strategy works, then we dive into the settings. Now I'm going to give you guys a clue on the strategy we are dealing with. So let me show you guys real quick. Okay, so we have the Chimoku, which is going to be the sign of buy, and we have the Bollinger Bands, which is going to be the sign of sell. So Ichimoku is going to be one that we are going to be using for buys. Okay, and the Bollinger Band you are seeing right here is going to be the one we are going to be using for sell. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now for this one right here is going to be our confirmation for entries. So that is the indicator we are dealing with now. So talking about the indicator, the line, this blue line right here is the Bollinger Bands, and this black line right here is the Ichimoku. Now this one right here is the Ichimoku as well, and this one right here is the ADX with this dot you are seeing right here is the ADX. Okay, so let's go here now. This is the thing that you guys have to understand. Now when you want to be buying, let's say you come to the chart and you want to be buying on boom or crash. Now what you have to do just to turn this Bollinger Bands off. So when you turn it off, it's going to left you with the Ichimoku, so which stands for buying. Okay, so now how do you now take a trade with this Bollinger Bands, with this Ichimoku right here? So I'm going to give you guys now. Sorry, so how do you sell? Okay, we are scalping. So if you want to be scalping, you turn the Bollinger Bands up, so you are scalping. Now how do you scalp with this strategy? How do you take a scalping? Now first thing you want to keep in mind that whenever we are scalping, we always look for clean entries. We are at least we're talking about you looking for a better opportunity to trade with. Now this is a trade right here that we consider taking. Now the first thing that I want to see whenever I want to take a sell trade, whenever I want to scalp, is that I firstly want to see where the Chimoku or the Chimoku line has to come to the 90 levels of the ADX, which happens right here. So you can see it's at the 90 levels of the ADX. So when we see that the Ichimoku touch the 90 levels of the ADX, we also want to see that it's changed from this volume right here to this volume right here. So when we see that, then that is a sign that the price is looking to shoot downwards, which means that the price will be selling. Okay, so how do you now take a selling opportunities? Now after we see all these conditions right here on the ADX, we are now going to wait for where the line right here. Now this is where you want to pay attention to. Now you want to see where the line cross below this arrow right here, this line right here, this line you are seeing right here. So when the price cross below this line right here, this line you are seeing, so when the line cross below it, then we also want to see when it's come back and touch the line again right here. So you can see it right here. You also have to come back and touch it. Okay, so this is where it touch it right here. So when touch it, then we are now going to be looking for a sell trade. Now as we see that, we look into our main chart and you want to see where the price also break below the Ichimoku. In the price break below the Ichimoku, you are now going to be looking for a sell trade once we see that this give us the confirmation that we need, and the price also break below the Ichimoku. So that is how we sell with this strategy. Okay, so now let's talk about how you buy with this strategy, which means that how you are going to catch spike. Now what you are going to do is just to turn this Bollinger Bands on and you off the Ichimoku. So go back and we are going to see that the Bollinger Band is already activated. Now how you now take a sell trade here with the Bollinger Bands. Now pay attention to this, guys. Now what you want to see is that firstly you want to see that the Ichimoku is at the 10 levels of the ADX. Okay, there's 10 levels of the ADX dot. Now when it's at the 10 levels of the ADX, then we are not going to see where we are going to see, and we look into our main chart. Now what we want to see in our main chart is that we want to see where the price come and touch the Bollinger Bands, the Bollinger Bands right here. So this way come and touch the Bollinger Bands. So when the price touch the Bollinger Bands, and we also see that the Ichimoku in our main chart also touch the 10 levels of the ADX, which happens right here, then we are going to looking for a buy trace. Okay, so that's how you scalp and that's how you buy when using this strategy. Okay, so let me show you guys another example, and I'm going to show you guys the example here on crash. Okay, so let's go to crash 500 so I can show you guys the example on crash 500. Okay, so now whenever you want to take a sell trade, always make sure that you see that the Ichimoku is at the 10 levels of this 90 levels of the ADX. Sorry, it's at the 90 levels of the ADX, and we also see that the price touch the last Bollinger Bands, which happens right here. So anytime you see this, anytime you see the price close to the Bollinger Bands, you always want to look for selling opportunities. Now that is how you sell. Now if you want to buy, you want to look for scalp, you turn this off and you turn this on, and you go back and you look for a buy opportunities. That's how you take a trade with this strategy. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. Find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and the posting strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. I don't want this video to be long, so it's very simple to use strategy, and you just have to pay attention. Now if you are buying, just want to see that the Ichimoku come and touch the 10 levels of the ADX, and you also see that price break above the your Ichimoku on your main chart, and you're now going to be looking for a buy opportunity. Very simple and very straightforward strategy, guys. So let's talk about the settings of the strategy. Now for the settings, first thing you want to do, just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. So when you click on it, the first indicator we are going to be adding is the Ichimoku. So how do we add this up? You click on this main chart F plus, click on it, search for your Ichimoku, and for the parameters, the Tenkan is 9, the Kijun is 27, the span is 52. Now we only need the Kijun style. Okay, so that is the style we only need. And click on save and set everything up, and you have your Ichimoku in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is the Bollinger Bands. And we add this up, click on this main chart F plus. Now for the Bollinger Bands, the period is 20, the deviation is 1.800, shift is 0, apply to close, and for the size, use any color of your choice, and click on save. Now for the next indicator, which is the ADX, and we add this up, you click on this F icon right here, search for ADX and click on it. Now for the ADX, so if you have to add the ADX up, you have to click on this main chart F plus, search for ADX and click on it. So for the ADX, the period is 15, the levels we need the 10 and the 90 levels, so that is the level that we need. For the style, we only need the D1, the plus D1 style, and click on save once you add set everything up like that. Now for the Ichimoku, so you click on this F icon here on your indicator one, search for Ichimoku, and this is the parameters. Now the Kijun is 1, the Kijun is 2, the span is 50. Now we need all the color except the Chinku span. Now use any color of your choice, then click on save, and that is the settings you are going to be using for this strategy. So keep in mind that using this strategy is very simple and very straightforward. Make sure you pay attention to what I explain, and make sure you watch it if you understand it. Which one you watch it over and over again till you understand. I see you in the next video. Bye.